Hello, I'm Hickey from interest.co.nz and welcome to 90 at 9, brought to you in association with ASB. This is your morning briefing where you get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, starting now with news that the New Zealand dollar has fallen almost a cent overnight to about 64.5 US cents. There were some bad US consumer confidence figures out overnight, and there are concerns that the US economy may be in a slump for a long time. That means overseas investors are a little bit more risk averse, and we're one of these riskier currencies. And when there's global risk around, they tend to sell off the New Zealand dollar a bit. Also, more figures showing US house prices are still falling. The Case-Shiller index shows that prices there are down 33% from the peak and still falling. Meanwhile, the Dow was down 1%. Back here in New Zealand, and PriceWaterhouseCoopers has prepared a report for the government showing the Labour government paid $320 million too much for Kiwirail. And finally, Pumpkin Patch. Its share price rose yesterday after it announced it was closing 20 US stores. Consumers there are really doing it tough. And the Reserve Bank has announced a liquidity review of banks, which means that over the longer term, interest rates might rise a little bit, but it does mean our banks will be funded for longer term and more domestically, which has to be safer. I'm Hickey. That was 90 at 9, brought to you in association with ASB.